What's up, everybody? Back with another YouTube video, and today we are hopefully going to put the entire interior back together. So a few things have been done since the last video, and well, everything for the most part is either painted or repainted black. So if you can see, everything's kind of, it's not perfect, but I think it's good enough because these panels, I'm not gonna lie, are kind of junk. And as you saw in the last video, we also got all these, and since then I also put some plastic over the regular spots, and I still have to lay in, the factory stuff. But here is the biggest thing. So I am going to try to put this carpet in. You can't see because it's upside down, but I kind of pre-cut all the holes, and I'm hoping once I get it in here I can perfect putting it in here. But I know it's going to be a little bit of a struggle just because that's how my life goes. But yeah, we are going to, well, do it. So this is going to take a little while. We'll figure it out as we go. We'll see. Alright, as you guys can see, I put the side sound deadening stuff on, the factory stuff, and I kind of got this laid out, all the holes kind of mostly put in here. I tried to do minimal cuts, but I know for sure I'm probably gonna have to wait for an actual warm day where there's sunlight, and just have the car bake in it for a while, and then I can redo everything. But it's not bad as of now. I can at least put the side panels on. I do want to put the seats in and try to keep stretching it into place. It's just it's just really hard with it being this cold, and I'm trying to get this ready. We're supposed to have a few good days this upcoming week, and I really want to be able to take it out. take this car out. So I'm willing to make the sacrifice. If I got to tear it all apart again, then I can. But I'm hoping as the heat goes on and whatnot, I can kind of like make adjustments and get it to fit a little bit better. But as of now, the carpet is laid in. I'm not looking for absolute perfection. I'm just looking for drivability and being able to drive it. And I think if I can, I'll try to keep stretching the carpet, like I said. But we'll see when we get there. But I think the black is going to look really, really good. And as we keep putting things together, it's going to just keep looking better and better and better. So I'm going to put you guys back, and I'm going to continue to start putting everything together, and hopefully not worry about the imperfections. Alright, so we're back at it again here. Figured I'd give you an update. The camera died yesterday, but this is what we got going on. Got the driver's seat in, and the backrest for the rear seats, and now it's just putting in that and those pieces and everything. Basically, the hardest part so far about this has been getting all the screws to go in. And I know for sure the door panels are going to be a pain in my butt. I just know it. But it looks so cool. And it's coming together really, really well. You know, some of the black has been getting scraped off because I'm not being as careful as I should be with it. But, you know, it just happens. Anyway, let's continue. Like, look at this. That looks so cool. We're also missing a bolt I gotta find for this, but I'm gonna be the one driving it for a little bit anyway. Anyway, let's continue and hopefully get the rest of that stuff over there in lickety splickety so we can actually take this car out because it's half decent today, surprisingly. Alright, so it has been some time and we got, well, pretty much everything put back together. Found the extra bolt for the seat, and I even put the trim and carpet back in there and the mismatched seats. But oh, and these, the what are these called, armrests, went together, not perfectly, but it went on. These door cards need taken out anyway, and obviously it's not sitting perfectly in, but I'm hoping as time goes on everything will just kind of flow back into place. And also my fan switch at the moment has no home, so I just kind of taped everything up, and hopefully it won't ground out on anything. But I'd say everything came together very well. I can see like some places that got a little beat up, like right here, and I didn't totally get the edge, and yeah, little things like that. And obviously the what's it called? The head pan, whatever the heck. My mind's blanking out. Still gotta fix up some wiring. But I'm thinking, with it being a beautiful day outside and all, that we're gonna get the first start of the season on, ready to go. And all we gotta really do, I added some oil, I checked the antifreeze, we're all good to go. So I just need to basically put the battery terminals on and, well, see if it starts up. Alright, so we got her pushed back here, and let's see how temperamental she will be. So you can see all these wrinkles and stuff. I'm hoping a good day with some heat and I can kind of massage it. This side's the worst side over here. Oh man, that sounds good. And I already got this all dirtied and messied up, but like it just needs stretched over, and then I just need to take everything off and then put it back. But I'm gonna vacuum this out. I'm gonna let it run, obviously, and I'm gonna vacuum this out, and we get to put some of the final touches in it. So give me a minute here. All right, finishing touches right here. Floor mats, baby. For this is all worth it. That's all worth it for that. these right here. It's all worth it. So I got her mostly shined up here. You know, need a quick detailer. Shout out Mr. Sam, but we got some of his stuff, and I did a quick wipe down on everything, and like I said, still need a headliner. That's the word I was looking for, headliner. And still need to basically put all these wires back up in here and stuff like that, but I'd say we're sitting pretty good. So for now, hopefully the battery doesn't die. I guess we'll find out if I have anything not correct later on. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. We got the interior back in, now we can drive it. Now, the next few videos is gonna be enjoying it, but sheesh, that looks so good. And obviously I'm gonna change more colors, or more pieces for different colors. But one step at a time. And I know what parts I need, things of those sorts. We just got to figure it out. Just whatever we can fit in the budget, we'll do it. But I think that's it for this video. So I guess I'll just end it off here, and just thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. And I think now that we kind of got this underway, we can move on to bigger and better things. But we'll get it taken care of, and just keep moving forward. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.